Strider Squadron, aircraft prep complete. You're cleared to taxi.
Beginning nighttime aerial refueling process. Be careful of reduced visibility.
Strider 1, you have passed through waypoint 1. No weapons until you reach the enemy base. All aircraft, reduce altitude. We have altitude restrictions from here on out. Keep altitude below 600 meters. Good. Maintain your current course.
Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
Searchlight up ahead. Watch for it.
Caution. Pull up.
Stay out of their sight.
Caution. Pull up.
Strider, ask this one. Our current ETA matches yours. Catch them off guard. Can we secure the LZ quickly?
We'll
get you down safe. I'm worried you're short on men.
Caution. Pull up.
Everyone here's already signed their release.
Caution.
That ain't funny.
Pull up. Caution.
Never was
Pull up.
jokes. Okay. Always been.
Pull up.
Luck.
Understood.
Caution. Pull up.
Strider 1, you've passed through waypoint 2. The valley's about to get narrower. Be careful.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
When can we take on the final mission? I'm starting to get tired of all this.
Caution.
This is the last step, Count. We'll take the enemy base and use it as a bridgehead.
Watch yourselves out there.
Caution.
We're going to need all of you in for our bounty.
Caution.
Without Wiseman here, everybody wants to give orders like they're the company commander himself. The best thing about Strider Squadron is that our leader keeps his mouth shut. Watch your speed.
Caution.
You've passed waypoint 3. You're coming up on the base, imposing radio silence.
Caution.
You won't be able to talk again until you're over the base. Continue to keep an eye on your altitude. There are plenty of dark spots that can sneak up on you.
Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up.
You just passed through waypoint 4. Radio silence has been lifted. You're almost at the base.
Caution. Pull up.
We made it. That was quite the roller coaster ride.
Caution. Pull up.
Visual confirmation on the airbase. Reach destination.
Commence the attack. It's time for their wake-up call. The longer it takes, the worse off we'll be. Hurry up. Finish them off.
All right, let's give them a beating. Gotcha, pal. Enemies are attacking! I hope they don't look! They took out our leader's bird! Hurry or they'll roast us on the ground! Fire up the searchlights! I can't see where the enemies are coming from!
It looks like the enemy's air defenses are online. Yes, they finally decided to wake up. Keep up the attack. The sooner we finish this thing, the better.
This is Pastor's Point. Arrived in the AO. Landing down.
Roger that. If the enemy is still present in large numbers when our ground forces arrive, the mission will be a failure. Go help our allies.
Your jokes haven't gotten any better.
All enemy fighters down.
I feel their pain, I really do. But this is war. Say goodbye.
Okay, that takes care of all the SAM sites.
Trust your allies and keep moving. This base is ours for the taking. Wait the base, Commander! What are you waiting for?
Target destroyed.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
If you engage the enemy reinforcements, requesting immediate close air support.
Copy that. Send some your way.
Pizza guy's in trouble. Let's help him out.
It's all right. Those two Ozian big shots will take care of them for us.
We've lost 30% of our AA guns. Don't fire blindly. That'll reveal our position.
Strider Squadron, do it quickly, or we'll lose the element of surprise.
Air support is on its way.
up. Have our thanks.
Give me a damage report. We've suffered heavy losses. This is more than a surprise attack.
Caution.
Picking up an enemy squadron. It must be the reinforcements they called in.
Target obliterate. We've confirmed at least one leader. It's the one with the 3 scratches. They're after you, Strider 1.
We still got 3 enemy fighters left. It's not over yet.
Missile.
Emergency! See the enemy reinforcements? They're stopping us! We can't do anything about their air power. We need support.
Missile.
Strider 1, break!
Missile.
2 remaining.
Locked on hostile. Ambush, stay calm, reform the ranks! Lancaster, requesting close air support.
Missile. Missile.
Strider squadron, enemy reinforcements. Get some goddamn support there now.
Enemy numbers are small. Don't give in. Fight until the very end.
One last enemy fighter.
Missile.
2-2. We're stuck. We won't be able to capture the base at this rate.
Keep your heads down. 3 strikes will take care of the enemy.
Missile. Missile.
Missile closing. Break! Break!
Missile.
Missile breaking!
Strider 1, Box 2.
Missile. Missile.
Watch your chaff and flare
Stall
supply.
warning. Stall warning.
That's a hit.
Stall warning.
We're behind them. Don't let them get in the way. That takes care of that. Nice work. We did it. That's the last of them. We've achieved air superiority.
The enemy's begun his counterattack. Damage to our unit is at 20%.
Keep firing! That's the last of our STL guns. They've all been taken out.
Acquired.
Caution. Pull up.
Vehicle confirmed destroyed.
That's it. Pick up those 2. Force our way inside the facility.
Target locked.
Target's destruction confirmed. That air support was right on the money.
Keep pushing the enemy on their heels.
Okay, start running on the count of 3. Great. I get to finally send my boys in to ring the doorbell. There's still quite a few enemies holed up in there. However, we can't afford to wait any longer. Begin the assault. If anyone resists, kill them. Contact! 2 o'clock! Go! Go! Fire!
Fuck! Tear down that barricade.
How'd it go? This is Basilisk 1. The base is ours. We have control of all major functions.
Glad the pizza was on time.
Roger that, Basilisk 1. Mission accomplished.
All prisoners of war will be treated in accordance with international law. We've even brought pizza.
Looks like they can shred those wills.
I'm already getting an earful from the men over the needless paperwork.
No joke.
Okay, go ahead and begin your approach. We'll do the flight control.
Roger that.
Strider 1, this is Basilisk. The runway is clear. You have permission to land. The party is on as soon as you get here. Reduce your speed. 3,000 meters to the runway. Turn right. 1,500 meters to the runway. You are right on course. Maintain current heading. Right on the money, Strider 1. Strider 1 has landed. Let's go and greet him.